Okay, y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing my room tour. This is my door, and this X is a little bit ghetto, but this is just so my roommates know to not come in, even though they still come in. Because most times I have my door open, so if my door is open, that means I'm welcoming company. If my door is closed, that means do not come in. But y'all can come in today. So this is my room. And to start out, we gonna go left to right, around the circle. So on the wall, I have these different pictures. I forgot these called canvases, and they have a different word with a Bible verse that's something about that word. I got these from Amazon, and then I have this right here, which is a canvas, but I made this myself a few days ago. And yeah, above I have these string of lights, and when they on, they look a little better, but I like to put them on at nighttime when I'm chilling and not during the day. And then I got my bed set. Of course, this is like a college apartment, so it came furnished, so the bed is from here. But I got this duvet from Amazon. I think I got this cover from Ross. I got this from Five Below, and I got my sheets and my pillowcases and everything from Amazon as well. Then when you come to this section, we have these 4 pictures. I got all these frames. I got a pack of 10 for like $25 from Amazon. And the other ones are in my bathroom, but we got the different Black woman quotes. I got those from Amazon as well. Then when you come down to my nightstand, I have this little thing. It's like a vase. I think it's supposed to be flowers in here, but I got these and I put them in there. I don't know what these called, but y'all know they just sticks. They look like branches, tree branches. They're white. I put those in there. I got both of them from Amazon. This as well. I don't know if this have a scent, but I guess it's like a natural scent. And then this end I got this from Amazon too. I don't really ever turn it on, but it can go on. I used to turn it on a lot, but not really anymore. Down here I have this self-care jar, which I usually pull from every Sunday. So today is Sunday. So this morning I pulled this, and I have to buy a new body butter this week. Then I have this Woman Evolve book. Y'all should check it out. It's good. But I took the cover off because I liked how it looked, and I set it there. Then I have these. I don't know what these called. But I got these from Walmart, and then I got this cup from Target. This I got from Ross. I do not like this candle. It takes, like, this was burning for like 2 days, and it only got down there, but it don't really smell like nothing. So I use this decoration. Then when we come over here, this is not organized at all because this is basically my business stuff. Down there I have plastic bags for like pickup orders, and then I have bubble mailers, ring light, just like business stuff. This bag right here though, I love this bag. My friend gave me this for my birthday, but I only wear it one time. I'm gonna wear it more when I get a chance. This is a Cease bag, and I just got that to cover up some of the other stuff that's back there. It's just business cards and stuff. Then when you come to my desk area, we have, behind here is just some other decorations that I was supposed to put up, but I didn't like them, so I didn't put them up. When you come to my actual desk, you got this little bear because it's Valentine's Day month. It's really Black History Month, but y'all know. Then when you have this, we have this. I just get lips care and hair care stuff because, like, if I'm studying, my lips dry or my hands dry, then I'm not gonna be studying. I got pens and everything because I need those to write. I have mini notebooks, calculator, and some AirPods up in there because I like to listen to music. This water bottle, which I really only used a few times, but one of my old counselors got it for me, and it's really nice. It got my name on it, and then it just says Class of 2020. I almost said 2022. Then I got this little thing. I don't really write on it during the week, but during the weekend, I put the stuff that I need to do on there. And I think I got that from, I don't know. I think I got that from Target. Yeah, I definitely got that from Target. And that's a wristband that my dad gave me. I got that from Amazon. It says, I still remember the days I pray for the things I have now. Then we just have my MacBook, my iPad. Got these both from Best Buy. My journal, I got this from Target. My Bible, I got that from a Bible app that someone sent me to. Then I got my HP printer. Got this from HP, I think. Mom got it. HP is terrible. Anyways, you can come around this side and show the other painting that I did, which it was supposed to be more, but I stopped. So as y'all can see, I like to have a little piece of me in my room. We can move around here. and show over here. This is my ring light that my roomie bought me for my birthday because I did not want to pay $100 for a ring light. Then we have my, I was gonna say garbage can. We have my laundry hamper. I don't know why I left that up, but I got that from Amazon too. My backpack as well. I keep my book bag over here, my Crocs underneath, and then my book bag on top. Both of those are from Amazon. And then I guess I could show my closet. It's not really special about my closet. It's just my clothes, and then I keep all my purses up there. And on the other side, I got hats up there. But I need to organize my closet more so that it's like color coordinated. But right now, it's mainly like bright stuff right here. It's supposed to be like business stuff right here. And then on the other side, I have hoodies and coats. Then when we come over here to my desk, not desk, my dresser, we have this Boss Girl thing, wall art, I guess. And honestly, when I first got it, I thought it said Girl Boss because I was rushing in the store. So when I got home and I was trying to put it up, I was like, Boss Girl, what? But I got this right here. I wanted to put this above my bed, but everybody was telling me don't do that because it's heavy and they think it's gonna fall. But I promise y'all, this is literally not gonna fall. I put 6 command strips on it, and if I would have put it above my head, I would have put like 10 on there, and it definitely wasn't gonna fall. But that's neither here nor there, because I decided to listen to them. So then we have my dresser. On this side, I have my makeup things, and this side I have perfume and some chlorophyll. But I got both of these from Target in the $5 section, and then I wrapped this silver sparkly stuff around it myself, which I got that from Michael's. And then I just have a jewelry box, and I have a candle on top. I want to like use this so that I can take the stuff out and use this actual cup, but I gotta let the candle say the same thing. So then I just have this perfume back here. I got this for Christmas, and I just set it back here. Then I have my clothes and everything in here in these drawers. Y'all don't see my clothes. And when you go to the actual closing of it, I just have my trash can down here. I mean, I'll show y'all. This is my trash can. I got it from Walmart. I have the same one in the bathroom, except in white. Then when you come to my door, it's pretty plain and simple. I just have this bag, which I wear basically every day. And just a mask, so I don't forget a mask when I leave out the door, because y'all know it's mask time. That is all that I have for this video. If you all want to know where I got anything from, I will link everything down below. But 9 times out of 10, y'all see I got most of the stuff from Amazon. And thank you for watching.